Now, the first website that we'll be looking to is called Cashkick, cashkick.com. Cashkick.com, when you come here, you'll find you can do the service, you can find great deals, you can watch videos, you can surf the web. Actually, on this video, we'll concentrate on watching videos and getting paid, because you still can do this the service, but you don't get paid as much. And you can just go on the web and do the searching and you get paid. So what you need to do is to come here and you put your email and your password. Then you get started. You create your account. When you create your account, you start watching the videos and they are going to pay you. You can see it's very easy to do. The first step is find and complete your mission, which will be watching videos, and watch the earnings grow in your account. Cash out early, easily and often. Yeah, so when you come here, you will really get paid. And you don't have to watch videos for free. You are watching the videos and you get paid. So these are some testimonials that I found, that people are really getting paid after doing the simple jobs, the simple tasks on this website. So you can see there are many testimonials here. You can read on your free time. Now, the other website that you can make money by simply watching videos is called creationsrewards.net. So on this website, there are also many simple tasks that you can do and still get paid. Like you can get paid by doing service, watching videos, visiting websites, online shopping, complete special offers. So you will really get paid when you do these simple things. They have been there since 2000. In the year 2000 they were there, and for 18 years they have been paying their members. And if you go down here, there are stores that are partnered with, which are, there is Walmart, see Paya One and Rite Aid and many more. So this website is really legit. On your account, you see your earning history, reward history, your profile, and when you're stuck on whatever you're doing, you can still contact the customer care and they are there to help you. You will even be given $5 for just signing up. So when you're ready to do this, you just come here on this form and you put your email address, your country, your password, and you confirm your password. Then you register. So you'll be ready to do all these simple stuff and still get paid. Now the third website that I will talk about is called clipclubs.com. So this website you can also download the application on Google Play or App Store. And here you watch videos and earn points. You earn rewards. So when you earn the rewards, you can convert them into cash. So all you need to do is to download the app and start watching the videos and see the money coming into your account. Another website that you need to check out is called fusioncash.net. Fusioncash.net will pay you by watching videos, doing service, downloading mobile apps, and playing video games. So when you want to join, they'll also give you a $5 bonus. All you need is to type your username, your email address, your password, and your zip code, and you register. To cash out the money that you make on this website, you need $25 in your account. But this shouldn't take long to achieve, because with the strategy that I'll show you at the end of this video, you'll be able to reach that $25 within a short period of time. Now the last website that I'm going to show you is called idleempire.com. In idleempire.com, you're going to get paid when you watch videos. All you need to do is to sign up, earn points, get rewards. On your sign up, you are going to get 500 points which you use. Now in here you only need 1000 points for you to cash out. So within a few hours, with the strategy that I'm about to show you, you'll be able to reach that and make money. So you need to register on all these sites that I've shown you, and when you have registered, you need to open new tabs, like multiple of them, and start watching the videos. While you're doing other things, the videos will be playing and you see your account money flowing, but this will not really make you rich. And if you really want to make money, enough money online, I've left the links in the description below. You can click them and check them out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, so when I post new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. See you.